Ballot counting process for the new Tirana mayor ended last weekend, but the winner won't be announced until the Central Election Commission makes it official. Due to the narrow difference of votes between the Democrat candidate Lulzim Basha and his socialist rival Edi Rama, Central Election Commission has started the verification of documentation and all tabulation of results of the 11 ballot counting centers in order to avoid any possible human error in data coverage. According to the Electoral Code, Central Election Commission should announce the result within 48 hours after receiving voting materials and tabulation of results from Commission for Election Administration Zones. Central Election Commission Chairman Arben Rissani told reporters a day ago that the Commission will take a decision 48 hours after last tabulation of results is sent by the Commissions for Election Administration Zones. But it seems that the winner in Tirana municipality would remain hostage of a long process that won't end after the announcement of the official results by Central Election Commission, with debates underway over some ballot papers for Tirana mayor that were found in other ballot boxes for the heads of boroughs or borough councils, which were put in the envelope of contested ballot papers by the commissioners of the Commissions for Election Administration Zones. Prime Minister Berisha warned at a news conference that he will seek the review of all contested votes, while reiterating that according to the database of the Democratic Party, Lulzim Basha received more votes. Democratic Party candidate for Tirana mayor Lulzim Basha appealed to Central Election Commission to read any contested vote and listen to the voice of each citizen equally, knowing that this race was very close. Basha reiterated the stand of Democratic Party that he would wait for Central Election Commission to announce the outcome. Meanwhile, immediately after the end of the ballot counting process, Edi Rama, Socialist Party chairman, also candidate of the Alliance for Future Coalition for Tirana mayor, announced his victory by 10 votes over the candidate of the Alliance for Citizen Coalition, Lulzim Basha. Under this condition, the Socialist Party urged the Central Election Commission to declare as soon as possible the result for the municipality of Tirana. At a news briefing, representatives of this party said that they have minutes signed by the Democrat and Socialist commissioners at the end of ballot counting in borough number 5, as well as full documentation signed by all parties in other boroughs, which show that Edi Rama is the winning candidate for Tirana municipality. Ballot counting in the key battleground for Tirana ended on Saturday, 6 days after the end of May 8 electoral process, when Albanian citizens voted for 383 new heads of local governments. Unlike other municipalities and communes, ballot counting in Tirana progressed slowly, especially in borough number 5, one of the 11 boroughs of the capital city. Preliminary results of May 8 local elections show that the opposition has won 37 out of 65 municipalities in Albania, while Democrats won mainly in rural areas. According to the official data published up to now by the Central Election Commission, the Coalition Alliance for the Citizen, led by the Democratic Party, has won 72,000 votes, more than the Coalition Alliance for the Future, led by the Socialist Party. Given this result, Prime Minister Berisha said that Socialist Party leader Edi Rama failed to win the referendum announced by him in the electoral campaign for May 8 local elections.